Okay, question 16 is going to be much like 15 except different values. So let's go ahead and take of this because repetition is really what helps you understand math deeply. So for 16, we are now going to deposit $10,000. Nice. And again, most calculators, you don't put the comma in there when you enter it into the calculator. Some apps will put it in for you. So that's kind of nice. We got 3% interest, so we put that in. We're compounded monthly. That's the next thing we find out. So this is going to be 12 or monthly. Okay. And then this time, I got off a line. Looking back at 15, so one of the problems. This is 10,000, it's 4%. You probably saw that. Okay, 4%. How much money we will have in 25 years? So we take our 12 times 25, and that's going to give us that we've got 300 periods. 300 months are in 25 years. What are we missing? We've got everything filled in. The payment is 0. We click on the future value button, do the solve part, and we will get the answer to the A part is 27,137 and 65 cents. So this is the answer to the A part. The B part asks how much interest we will earn. And again, we look at what we put in and what we took out. The difference is our gain, is our interest. So we start off with the 27,137.65. We subtract off 10,000. And what we find out is we've got 17,137.65. Not too hard to do. That's the amount of our interest. So that is our answer to the B question. And those are dollars. There we go. Nice return. Okay, let's keep going. And this time we're going to mix it up a little bit with how often we compound. But you'll see the calculations are still the same. 17. Let's do that up here. So we're going to deposit 5,300. Okay, put that in. Earning 5%. Put that in. Compounded quarterly. Quarterly is 4 times a year. There are 4 quarters. Every 3 months, but 4 times a year. And again, from the drop down, you just choose quarterly. Okay. How much will you have the account in 6 years? And again, we take our quarterly means 4 times a year times the number of years. So we're going to have 24 periods. That's what we enter in there. No payments. Click on the future value button. And we get that we will have $7,140.96. Okay. So 5% is more than 4%, so we kind of see the comparison, not directly, but okay. 18. Pretty straightforward again. This time we're going to deposit $7,000. We're going to earn 3.5%. That goes in the interest. And we're going to compound quarterly again, so that's 4 times in a year. Quarterly. For the number of periods, we want to leave it on deposit for 8 years, but we have to multiply by the number of compounding periods. So 4 times 8 gives us, we will have 32 as our number of periods. Again, no payments, and click on the future value button, and we get the value $9,250.64, and that's all they're asking for. Okay, I'm in the right place. Good. 19. So we get a lot of problems done quickly. You're probably going faster than me by now, but that's okay. I will just keep at my pace, mindfully doing our math. We put a $3,000 deposit. We're going to earn 8%, and we're going to compound quarterly, surprisingly, right? 4 times. We want to know how much we'll have in 10 years. So there's 4 times 10. There'll be 40 periods. Again, you only put the 40 in. No payments. Hit the FV button to solve for that future value to tell us how much we will have in that account at the end of those 10 years, the end of the 40 periods. And we find that at 8%, our money has more than doubled. We now have $6,624.12 coming back to us. That's a nice return, 8%. 8%. That's what the state retirement fund uses, is an 8% as their accumulation factor. It's a good, slightly aggressive, maybe a mix between conservative and aggressive returns.